Garlic bulb is next. We can say so many things about this herb, and we probably already have. And what garlic bulb does is sort of opposite of milk thistle in some way, because it balances liver detoxification phases. It's a key ingredient of our liver flush protocol, which we'll be demonstrating for you in a moment. And it also acts as an intestinal antimicrobial to help maintain good microbial balance in the guts, thereby also supporting the intestines. But in the liver, one of the interesting things about the use of garlic in the liver is by actually inhibiting phase 1, so remember that milk thistle promotes phase 1, garlic bulb and ginger, by the way, and turmeric all inhibit phase 1, thus allowing the liver to get to grips with flushing the rest of the stuff out before it does any more detoxification. Liver detoxification is where the liver goes, right, okay, we'll parcel this all up and we'll make it safe and we'll put it there. And then someone's supposed to come and take it away. But if no one comes and takes it away, it just, it clogs up the system and it's horrible. So you can think of it like that if you like. So in other words, what garlic does is it holds back that, but promotes the actual flushing out and the taking away. And at the same time, of course, it acts as a great antiseptic to kill off anything that you don't want in there.